Jack found his big present from Mama and Daddy.
He just knew, he sensed there was something good in here. Go get him, Jack. Come on.
I think he's gonna be so excited.
Oh,
open it up.
You're doing great, buddy. It's all you. It's the first one you haven't had to prod him or help him out at all.
He just has a feeling about this one. Here's the choo-choo set.
Boy.
The choo-choo train from from Grandma Bongo. He loves it.
Back to his present.
Good job, buddy.
Try tipping it over.
Help him, babe.
Like this. Pull it off some more. Good job.
Look at him go. Okay, open it up. Can you help him open it? Oh boy, Jack. He's gonna be excited about the bubble wrap.
Oh, can you get the paper off? Okay.
Open it up, buddy.
What's in the box, Jack?
What's inside? What's that?
He knows just what to
Do you know what that is?
It's the
Can you
doorbell.
take it out, babe?
It's the doorbell.
Whoa, and keys?
What do you think, Jack?
It's just like the one you watch on YouTube.
Push the other buttons. Ding dong.
Ding dong.
Jack, do you like it?
Yeah.
You say thank you, Mama. Okay, can you give Mama a kiss?
Push the doorbell. Push it. Oh, there's one more.
Yeah, that's where the key goes. Push the button. Yeah, push the doorbell. I'm saying doorbell.
Good job, Jack. Can I have a kiss?
Go give Mama a kiss.
Can I have a kiss?
Hey, come here. Let's go give Mama a kiss. Come here. Go say thank you,
Can I have a
Mama.
kiss?
Say thank you.